Good evening everyone, welcome to another video, and if you're new, hit subscribe down there right now. Lots of non-league content on this channel. If you have a butcher's there, look, we've had a sprinkling of rain. Tonight I have for you the Evesham and District Sunday League, Division 3, and it is the final game of the season between Fortis First and Stour Excelsior Reserves. So onto the league table, like I said, final game of the season. The hosts, Fortis, are top. They are 2 points clear of Vale United. They cannot be caught. They are the league champions. Congratulations to them. Their visitors, Stour Excelsior Reserves, are down in 8th near the bottom. They're on 25 points with a win tonight. They are likely to go up. Well, no, they will go up one place. They will go up to 7th, and that's where they will finish. So, not a lot riding on this game at all. The main thing riding on it is whether Fortis win the league by 2 points, 3 points, or 5 points, and whether the visitors can move up a place to 7th in the league. Last time out, Fortis First beat Bidford Junior Men's 2-0, and Stour Excelsior Reserves travelled to Benjware First and beat them 5-1. So obviously that last game, Fortis clinched the title for them. So once again, congratulations. Should make for an entertaining game with nothing riding on it tonight. Let's see. See you at the ground. Enjoy the video. Should be fun. There's no ref. This fella's the ref. He's got no whistle. Quality.
Guys, ready to go? Straight in, let's go! Jack, start on the left. Come on, Johnny! Yeah! Well done, lad! Hey, come on, boys, wake up a bit. Wake up!
That didn't take long.
Celebrating there's the same goal. That's for Johnny.
Come on, Johnny! Yeah! Well done, lad!
The linesman's flag is a jumper. This is wicked. Dear, this could be a massacre. Ref's got a whistle.
You're free now.
What is that?
Stop whistle! Throw her, Pacey!
Oi! Stand him! Ozzy, one more. Jamie! Fill the box! Fill the box! Square it!
Unlucky.
You want me? You want me? What's his run? Loads of it! Yes! Time!
I only watched
Let's have a run.
Yes, how we go. They could have scored double figures then.
Oh!
Jamie, don't make my job difficult.
Over there, it's the training pit.
Oh, it's in.
Oh, nice finish.
Yeah, we've all finished. This is the very last game. Oh, it would be great if they could see this.
Oh, nice finish. Keeper's bored. He's come out to play. And he's taken over. And the other team's doing the same. Keeper's coming out to play. And he's going in goal.
Oh, I'll have that.
He's missed that one. Keeper missed it. And the keeper's headed into an empty net.
Yes, Maggie! On the ball!
T5. That's a 4x4.
Go on, Jamie Richard! Matty! You can, Matty! You in, Oz?
Oh, you're in there, man.
Play on! Yes, something. My granddad was saying that. John! Stick it up! Tackle!
Specialist in the UK, Chris Bath. He went to pay 250 quid to get his knee done, and the bloke spent 8 minutes, and he says, yeah, that's absolutely fine, I'll write you an answer. He said, I'll write it in such a way that they can't at least allow him to go into Bath. And
I lost. I'm not tracking back. Jack, I'm still here.
Jack, come here as well. Come here as well.
Lovely boy. Have a go, Jack. Have a go.
Goal. Oh, what a save.
Winnie the cat. Save that was.
Oh, was it in?
Well, safe, Sid.
Goal.
No way.
They can't miss one.
Oh, was it in?
Well, safe, Sid.
Goal.
No way. Go ahead. On. Wide, wide.
I'll let you cover them, T. Enough.
Shoot. One ball. Come here, Muncie. Muncie, come here.
Nice. Nice. Oh.
Come on, Sid! Come on, Jimmy! What on, Sid?
Come on, Kieran. We keep that on so you can look good. We did that for you, David.
Red box, come on, Ben! Ready? Dixie! Tie! Nowhere near you!
Mate Taylor!
Away, Log! Away, Log!
In the first half, I was inside.
Take him out!
Oh, good kick out, is
Got it, beyond you, mate! Beyond you! Come in!
Beyond you, Dan!
Beyond you!
Ryan's right.
I'll make a roof up for it.
Beyond you!
As long as I stick the building regs and get the
Called it game. Poor lad popped his wrist. Wish him well.
Did he penalty? All his misses there.
I reckon with that, it'll be a post next to garage, one half there long, one at the end, with a big, big decent post like that. Across the top, across the back, back to the wall, back to the garage, and
So that's finished full-time. Fortis firsts 4, Stour Excelsior reserves 4. Match abandoned, unfortunately, horrific injury. More on that in a moment. We'll quickly run through the game. Not that it's worth much really after something like that happening, but it was a good game. Referee didn't turn up, so someone stepped in from the crowd. The linesmen were running the lines with a jumper and a sock as a flag. It was all good fun. The ref didn't have a whistle to start with. Someone brought one out. Apparently it was a dog whistle, which was much amusement to the players. Fortis led 3-2 at the break. They were far better, but fair play to Stour. They came back into it and scored a couple of cracking goals. And then we were 4-4 with about 20 minutes to go, I think. And unfortunately, like I said, horrific injury. Genuine attempt for the ball by both. It was a long one over the top they were chasing. And unfortunately, Fortis, lad from the sound of it, landed on his wrist, snapped it, popped it. Just listening to some of the players at the end sounded horrific. His arm was in bits. So I really wish him well. I hope he makes a quick recovery. Awful thing to happen just playing a game of football, but sometimes these things do happen, unfortunately. I'm sure you will all join me in wishing the player well and hope he makes a speedy recovery. Fortis finished the league as champions, so congratulations to them. They won the league by 3 points in the end. And Stour Excelsior reserves will stay in 8th, but finish level on points with Evesham Athletic. So well done to everyone. It was a good game. Was looking forward to the ending, but like I said, unfortunate finish for it. There's cup final coming for you on Thursday evening. An exciting charity match on Friday to look out for. So hit subscribe ready for those. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments below. Thank you very much for watching and good night.